you all here, and I've already been cautioned that I have just about 10-15 minutes, so I hope I'll be able to be on within that time. All are here from the SME, and we see a few known faces here who are working with us over the years. It's always exciting to meet you on a Friday evening. SME, as we all know, has a different term for different companies. So many of them have been giving you statistics as to this much percentage it is growing, and that is the kind of opportunities that SME presents you over the years. For SAP as a company, we roughly take about a company which starts from about, let's say, a zero. Zero cannot be a company, but more than 0 to 2,500 crores to be an SME. So that's a huge band that we cover as a company under SME. I understand it's still going on, but I was interested to know how many of you actually know SAP. I saw a few large names having a lot of discussion. How many of you have heard of SAP as a company? All? Oh, wow. I see only a few hands, but most of you say all, which is great. And what are the feelings that you have about SAP? What is SAP as a company? That animal is what, dangerous or sweet or expensive, or how is it?
Very expensive. Very expensive.
That's great. I also have the same feeling. But the fact remains is that the reason I ask this is that when I'm approaching an SME customer, the intent is obviously to be in a situation where we are able to see more value on the product rather than on the expense. To start with, although I represent, SAP is divided into two different avenues. One is a very lower end product which is called a Business One. I don't know if many of you are aware of it. Business One is a Windows based solution which is purely for a customer which may be 5 to 10 crores to about 100 crores, which is able to cover almost all the areas to some extent. Will we get this or? Wow, we have it finally. Okay, so I'm not following that. Primarily, we just want to have an interaction because we hardly have time to get into details of SAP. We can always have it outside. But primarily, the message that I want to leave you all with here is that we do have solutions from somebody who starts from a 10 crore to somebody who is at whatever level he wants to be. At a very low end, we have a product called Business One, which is not the product that I want to discuss here, but that is definitely available, which is a Windows-based solution, extremely easy to use and not expensive at all to the solution that it presents. Secondly, when we talk of SME, again, everybody came back to us that it's an expensive solution. I have also heard that it's a very complicated solution. Most of people don't understand what SAP is and how does it work, and it has too many jargons, not for me type of solution. So the intent of us as a company has also been to be friendlier with you as a product in terms of a solution. So in that perspective, all I can tell you is that we are also looking at handshaking with the SME in a way where we are easy to use, we are very user friendly, and we are easily manageable. On this context, there will be three things that I will bring in. One is the first technology part that comes in is a product called HANA. HANA is one of the fastest database that SAP has today, and that is something which comes as an intelligent database which has a good analytical tool built in it. One side of it is that. The second part is that HANA is today available on a mobile. So as we were just hearing that, I want my sales guys or my employees to be able to maneuver our solutions or applications on a mobile. SAP is today available on a mobile, easy to play like the games that you play on your apps on the iPhone or Android phone. It is available on your mobile to work on, to do your approvals, to processes, all the CRM balances that you want to see. And most importantly, many of these SMEs are not IT companies. They don't want to spend too much on the hardware. They don't want to spend too much on the CIOs who will give them a lot of yarn on spending a lot of money. So primarily what we are saying is we are taking it to the clouds. So SAP comes to you with a solution which is available on the mobile and it is manageable on the cloud. So primarily what you can do is you can have a rental paid every month, so it doesn't make it expensive for you, and the entire plethora of SAP solutions are available at your end. So wanted to give you a very easy and sweet picture of what SAP wants to do with the SAP today. Other than that, we did have some presentations which actually got some more into the details of the product, but probably this is not the audience or the moment to get into specifics. But one thing definitely I would like to contribute is that many of you might be having a view that SAP is a solution which mainly caters to the manufacturing segment, or it is good for a company which is into purely manufacturing. It is not for somebody who is into a trading kind of a solution. Or today we are looking at industries coming up which might be the media or other peripheries. So I must tell you, one of the fastest or the most happening industry that we are working with is media. We are working very well in the hospitality segment. We are working very well in the apparel segment. So we are covering the entire gamut of industries that you can think of. We are helping people to grow, and we expect to work with all of you very closely. The messaging was what I wanted to be sweet and short, is that we are there with you. It is not an expensive solution. I am available outside, so we can have a very detailed discussions on specifics that you might want to get into. But that is what I wanted to keep it as. I hope I am much before time. So any questions that you have, probably I can take.
What is the red service?
Sorry?
You tell that SAP is available on
On rental basis. Okay, so it is based on users. So we can discuss on that, but it is based on the number of users that you have and the kind of products that you want to.
Is there any customization required?
Customization required depends on the kind of solution that you are looking at. See, it is a platform. It allows you to customize, but it always depends on how you want to do it.
Who will do the customization?
On a cloud, customization is limited. So otherwise, it is a partners who do it.
Because I'm asking about the cloud.
So there are partners available who do the customization.
So basically, you have to go to the partner.
That will come to you.
No. When you're talking about SAP sector.
So there is partners available. So SAP takes you to the partner and we work with the partners there.
So ultimately, you are offering one way your traditional business system in a different capsule form to the SAP.
Yeah, so that's what is the market demand. So both the segments still exist. We definitely have our on-premise, as we call it.
So let's say I'm a owner of 5 crore turnover company.
Yeah.
What the kind of things you think I need to have budget for?
So for a 5 crore, probably the product that I am representing here might not be something that I will prescribe, but definitely we have, as I said, the Business One, the Windows-based solution that SAP has, which gives you the opportunity to scale up to the present higher-end SAP R3 solution. It's something that you should be able to look at. So we can.
Basically, I'm looking at the kind of figure,
That will obviously be depending on the solutions that you're looking at, number of users that you have. So that's we can discuss and give you a figure. It will, because there are multiple types of users that you also get. So it's a little bit of working, but we should be able to give you. I didn't want to throw a figure at you.
There will be implementation phase.
There will be implementation.